We have the developed market growing too, and the emerging markets growing faster. So it is clear that the emerging markets do have more upside opportunity of growth, while there's so much, 80% of the world population is living in the emerging markets, and they're working for a better tomorrow. Western Europe, people's budget, they spend 10 to 50% of their family budget in food.
10 to?
15, depending on the country.
Okay.
1/5.
Okay.
You go to, for example, France is higher. You know, the Français, they love the kitchen and eating well. It's more. It's 16, 17% of the family budget. Certain other parts of Europe, it's less, 8, 9%.
Okay.
That's a very small part. That was much higher before. It has been reduced over time. Next year we're going to have 100 years of Nestlé in India. 100 years of having a structure. And that's why, and together with our partners here, we are an Indian company. That's how we feel. We feel and we connect with the people like we are at home here. And I feel that's the right way to link up with a company, with a country like India. And so we're investing, and that's why we have inaugurated the factory. There's I think in the last 2 years, together with next year, we have a program of $450 million. Actually, Swiss francs, it's more than dollars. It's close to 500 in dollars. Investment in factories, several capacity increases, new technologies in the factories that exist to increase the capacity there, but also to use the best technologies. I must say, for the factories I saw, and that is how we operate worldwide, is you have the best technology and actually the best effectiveness and efficiency here, because I feel the people are well educated. They are so motivated, so positive in mindset, that it should be motivational for the rest of the world. We are selling over 1 billion, 1.2 billion products a day. So there is no big product, small products. Everything adds up, and there is no. The biggest market is the USA. Well, that's logical because we have deep footprint there. It's a big country, but I have worked in many countries, small countries. I started with Nestlé 32 years ago now in Peru. Small. Well, it's not small. Our relationship is consumer by consumer, and the potential that we feel in India is such that we see India as one of the highest priorities. I fundamentally think that the economy worldwide is quite solid. Why? Because it is more and broader spread than before. If you start having many developing countries really seeing their future as developing and not being behind, and they go about their development in a holistic way, like you see here in India. We hear terms and concepts like inclusive growth, which is basically what we believe in. Inclusive growth is creating middle class. That's basically, if you add it all up, it is really creating a middle class. The stability of a country, the development of a country is linked with how strong you build a middle class. That creates the real dimension of development of a country.